Hello friends, welcome to LG Institute of Physiotherapy. Today we are going to learn about manual muscle testing. In manual muscle testing, we'll discuss grading system. Grades for manual muscle test are recorded as numeric ordinal scores ranging from 0 to 5. Uh, 0, which represents the no discernible muscle activity, and grade 5, which represents a maximal or best possible response, or as a grade a response as can be evaluated by manual muscle test. The numeric 0 to 5 system of grading is the most commonly used muscle strength scoring convention across the healthcare professions, and each numeric grade, that means example is grade 4, can be paired with a word grade. Example, good, that means the grade 4 is paired with a word good that describes the test performance in qualitative but not quantitative. So here we have the grading system. On one side we have numeric score, and exactly on opposite side we have the qualitative score. So in numeric score we have grade 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So grade 5, it stands for the normal, grade 4 good, grade 3 fair, grade 2 poor, grade 1 trace activity, grade 0 0 or no activity. So here we have a description of grade 5. So a grade 5, it's when a patient can complete full active range of motion against gravity and hold the test position against maximum resistance that is given by therapist or tester. And if the therapist can break a patient's hold, a grade of 5 should not be assigned. That means the patient can complete the full range of motion against gravity with the maximum resistance applied by therapist. Grade 4. Grade 4 is assigned when the patient can complete the full active range of motion against gravity, but it is not able to hold the test position against maximum resistance. That means patient can hold the test position against sub maximum resistance. That is and by that we can assign the grade 4. So in grade 4 the patient is able to complete the full active range of motion against gravity and with the sub maximum resistance. In grade 3 the muscle or muscle group can complete a full range of motion against the resistance of gravity. See here, in grade 3 patient is able to, or patient will able to complete the range of motion against the gravity, but there is a no resistance applied by therapist, and this is also called the active range because it's done by patient. Or even if a tested muscle can move through the full range against the gravity and tolerate a small, but in very rare cases they tolerate a small or mild amount of resistance, and the muscle is assigned a grade of 3. Grade 2, the grade is assigned to a muscle group that can move the body segment when gravity is minimized. That means in the horizontal plane, or in other words we can say the in gravity eliminating position, and this position is typically described as the horizontal plane of motion. So in this position patient can complete the full range of motion, or patient can perform the movement. Next, grade 1, The grade 1 is assigned when the therapist can detect visually or by palpation subcontractile activity in one or more of the muscles that participate in the action being tested, and this provided the muscle is superficial enough to be palpated. The therapist also may be able to see or feel a tendon pop up or tense as a patient tries to perform the movement. However, there is no movement of the part as a result of this contractile muscle activity. So, in grade 1, the therapist can see, or therapist can palpate the muscle activity or contractile activity in muscles, but there is no movement in joint and by the muscles. Next, grade 0. The grade 0 muscle is assigned when the palpation or visual inspection fail to provide evidence of contraction. That means there is no activity, there is no contraction, means no visual or visual contraction, or there is no contractile activity on palpation. So this is grade 0. So this is for today's lecture. So in this lecture we have learned about grading system. So mainly here we have discussed the Oxford grading. In numeric score we have discussed about the grade 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So friends, thank you.